In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital planner in Canva with Calendar Maker app. First, open Canva and create a new design. For a standard digital planner, US letter, A4, or a custom 8.5 by 11 inches works great. Pick the orientation that fits your style: portrait for a traditional planner feel or landscape for a wider layout. Give your project a clear name so you can keep track of versions as you build it out. Starting with a consistent size keeps everything aligned as you add more pages and layouts. Next, bring in the Calendar Maker. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Apps and type Calendar Maker into the search bar. Open it, and you can generate monthly or weekly spreads instantly. Choose the months you need and the weekly layout you prefer, and let Canva place the dates for you. This saves a lot of time compared to building calendars manually and ensures your dates are accurate. Now, build out your page structure. Add pages for your monthly, weekly, and daily views. And include extra pages for notes or trackers. Duplicate pages to keep consistent formatting as you go, and arrange them in a logical order. For example, you might place a monthly overview first, then the weekly spreads, followed by daily pages, and end with notes and trackers. Keeping a clear flow makes the final PDF easy to navigate. With your pages in place, design and customize. Use Canva's elements, text, and photos to refine your layout. Choose a cohesive color palette and 2 or 3 fonts for a clean, professional look. Add headings for each section. Use lines or shapes to create writing spaces, and consider subtle backgrounds or textures to make the planner feel polished while staying readable. Align elements using Canva's guides so everything looks consistent across pages. And copy your header or footer to maintain the same style throughout. If you want it to be interactive, add hyperlinks. Create simple shapes or rectangles to act as tabs along the side or top of your pages. Position them consistently, then write. Click each tab and choose the link option to connect it to a specific page. Link monthly tabs to monthly pages, weekly tabs to weekly pages, and so on. This makes tapping around on a tablet or laptop fast and intuitive. Finally, export and use your planner. Click Share, then Download, and select PDF Standard for smaller file sizes or PDF Print for higher quality. Make sure links are enabled so your tabs remain clickable. Save it. Thanks for watching.